By 2035, your job might still exist, but you won't be doing it the same way. AI is going to reshape every industry much faster than anyone expects. The tools you use today will look completely outdated. The skills that matter today will change. And the people who understand AI will have a massive advantage over everyone else. In this video, we are looking at 5 AI tools that could completely transform your career and even the entire job market by 2035. Make sure you watch till the end so you understand which skills will actually help you survive and grow in the future. Tool 1. AutoGPT 3.5, Fully Autonomous AI Worker. AutoGPT 3.5 is not just another chatbot. It's a fully autonomous AI agent that can work on long, multi-step tasks without needing constant human commands. Imagine giving AI a simple instruction like, research the best 5 marketing strategies for my business and create a full report. AutoGPT will not only search the internet, but also analyze the data, organize the findings, write a structured report, format everything neatly, and even suggest improvements. By 2035, this tool could handle repetitive roles such as research assistants, junior content writers, virtual assistants, junior marketers, appointment schedulers, and basic administrative workers. Instead of doing one part of a task, AutoGPT will complete entire workflows from start to finish. It can gather data, analyze trends, write emails, build plans, and even manage basic customer support. This means people who only do repetitive tasks will face the biggest risk. But those who learn to supervise AI will become far more valuable. Tool 2. Google Gemini Ultra 3, the multi-skill AI. Gemini Ultra 3 will be one of the most powerful multi-skill AI tools in the world. The future version of Gemini will combine writing, designing, coding, analyzing, planning, research, and video generation inside one unified system. That means one AI tool will be able to write a full article, create the thumbnail, generate video scenes, make a script, edit the video, generate voiceover, produce subtitles, and upload everything automatically. By 2035, Gemini will function like a complete digital employee. It will help businesses reduce costs by handling tasks that previously required multiple skilled people. Employees who only rely on traditional skills will fall behind. But those who learn to use AI to speed up their work will become 10 times more productive. Knowing how to use Gemini will be as important as knowing how to use Google Search today. Tool 3. Midjourney 10, Creative Industry Revolution. Midjourney 10 and DALL-E 6 will completely transform the creative world. Today, these tools can generate images. But by 2035, they will be able to generate full cinematic video scenes, create storyboards, design 3D characters, produce animation sequences, and even build virtual worlds for movies and games. This means advertising agencies, design studios, filmmaking teams, YouTube creators, animators, and photographers will experience massive changes. Instead of spending days or weeks creating visual content, AI will produce professional-level designs, videos, and graphics in minutes. Midjourney 10 will allow creators to generate a full movie scene by typing a single description. Entire animation films could be generated by AI. Portraits, posters, brand designs, logos, product images, and even photorealistic human models will be created instantly. But here's the important part, AI will not replace the creative mind. It will only replace the repetitive parts of the work. People who understand storytelling, branding, concept design, and visual communication will still be extremely valuable. Tool 4. GitHub Copilot X Pro, AI Software Engineer. Software engineering will undergo one of the biggest transformations. Today, GitHub Copilot can help write code. But by 2035, Copilot X Pro will be able to build complete applications from basic instructions. Instead of writing hundreds of lines of code yourself, you will just explain what you want. Copilot X Pro will generate the full code base, fix bugs automatically, create documentation, optimize performance, and deploy applications in seconds. It might even test its own code using automated reasoning. Junior developers who only know basic syntax will face the biggest risk. But skilled engineers who can think logically, plan systems, understand architecture, and guide AI will be in extremely high demand. In the future, coding will be less about typing and more about solving problems and managing AI-generated solutions. Tool 5. Power by Copilot Enterprise, AI Business Analyst. Business analysis will also change dramatically. Power by Copilot Enterprise will turn raw data into insights instantly. It will create reports, dashboards, predictions, charts, and presentations without any manual effort. It will tell you why sales dropped, which products are underperforming, which customer segments are growing, and what actions your business should take. Instead of spending hours building dashboards, analysts will focus on interpreting insights and making decisions. Entry-level analysts and data interns will be the most affected. But professionals who understand data strategy and decision-making will become even more important. The real truth about AI and jobs: AI will definitely replace some jobs. But it will mostly replace people who refuse to upgrade themselves. The people at the highest risk are those who do repetitive work, those who avoid learning new tools, and those who think AI is just a trend. AI will not replace people who think creatively, solve complex problems, understand strategy, and use AI like a professional tool. You do not need to compete with AI. You need to learn how to work with AI. Future skills you must learn before 2035. Now, before we move to the final conclusion, there is one more important thing you must know. The biggest question is, if AI becomes this powerful, what skills should you learn to stay relevant? The answer is simple. You need to master the skills that AI cannot fully replace. First, learn problem solving. AI can give you answers, but it cannot understand the real-world impact of decisions the way a human can. People who can identify problems and design solutions will always be valuable. Second, learn strategic thinking. AI can generate information, but only humans can connect that information to long-term goals. Businesses will always need people who can plan, analyze situations, and make decisions based on changing conditions. Third, learn communication. AI can write text, but clear communication, storytelling, leadership, and collaboration are human strengths. Teams that know how to communicate their ideas will outperform any AI-only workflow. Fourth, learn to manage AI tools. The future workforce will depend heavily on people who know how to combine different AI tools together. For example, someone who can use Gemini for content, Midjourney for visuals, and Copilot for technical tasks will be far more valuable than someone who only uses one tool. Finally, learn creativity. AI can generate content, but real creativity still comes from human imagination. Your ability to create new ideas, build unique concepts, and think outside the box will decide your future in a world filled with AI-generated output. If you focus on these skills, then instead of losing your job, you will become the person companies depend on. Conclusion and call to action: the future is coming faster than anyone expects. The question is not whether AI will change your career. The real question is whether you will be ready to adapt. If you start learning AI tools today, you will be among the people who benefit from this transformation instead of being replaced by it. Like the video if you found it helpful. Comment your thoughts and tell us which AI tool surprised you the most. And subscribe to AI Future Insights for more future-ready content and guidance that will help you stay ahead of the coming changes.